Hi friends, this is Parvati from Capstucky. Welcome to my channel. I need your support, so please subscribe, share and like my channel. Also, you can mention your valuable comments in the comment box. Okay. Today I am describing here the first step of the AHPRA registration. The first step is the basic step. We want to create a login ID for AHPRA registration. Through this login ID, we are doing the remaining purpose, whatever the documents uploading, everything we are doing using this one. So the first step is create your login ID. In the second slide, I mentioned one link is there. The same way you can check in the site also. Actually, two methods I am describing here. This is the first method. Okay, this is the simplest way. You can open this link. And the third slide, I mentioned one image. Third and fourth is same continuation of the third slide is coming in the fourth slide. Very difficult to put in one image. So that's why I mentioned, I separate it in the two slides. Okay. The third slide, whatever I mentioned, the login or register, one screen is open like this. So you want to scroll down, then you can see the I don't have a login portion, whatever I mentioned in the fourth slide. So you want to select it, I don't have a login, then you want to create it. In the fifth slide, the image is coming, create your login. The next slide is coming like that, create your login. Then you want to enter your details, first name, last name, date of birth, email address, and retype your email address. And the main thing, whatever you are entering, I am recommending only as per your passport, because everything is based on passport. So better to enter as per your passport. Okay, then create then they will send the validate they will send a code to your email ID. That is the next slide I mentioned. The sixth slide I mentioned here, whatever receive in your email ID. Okay, we will receive a code from the AHPRA. They want to confirm it. They are checking the email address validate. Okay, so you want to re-enter the code whatever they sent in your mail ID. You want to copy and paste it the same code in your next slide. The next slide I forgot to take the screenshot, that's why I didn't mention here, but it's very simple step. You want to re-enter the code, then it's only validating for 20 minutes, valid for 20 minutes. Within that time period we want to re-enter it. Okay, then confirm it, then it will open. Then we want to start the process again. So process again means the first step we want to repeat it again, and you want to log in again. Close the tab and you can open your login. Okay, that is the first method. The second method I mentioned in the seventh slide, starting the second method. So I mentioned one link is there, you can select. This is normally the same one for the AHPRA registration. We are selecting in the site the same a link, we can use it. Then the 8th slide, whatever I mentioned here, otherwise you can open by using this way. So you can open the screen and then select the choose a national board. Then the screen is open like in the 9th slide. You want to choose it the pharmacy board. Select the pharmacy board. Then the slide is opening like this. The regulating Australia's pharmacist. The slide, the image is opening. So you want to select it from the right side of the image, apply for registration. So select the apply for registration. Then the slide is coming of online applications. So in the online applications, below two boxes there, start online application, continue online application. You want to select the start online application. Then the image is coming same as like in the first image, login or register. Then you can select it from there. I don't have a login. The same process you can enter whatever your first name, last name, date of birth and email address you want to enter it, and they will send a verification code. You can copy it and create your login. Then again you want to open in your login. Okay, the main thing, your login coming, the first slide whatever I mentioned, the user ID is your email address. Okay, don't forget it that the user ID is coming, the username is your email address, date of birth, the password. Okay, whatever the password criteria also they will mention there. As per that you want to the special characteristics, the uppercase, lowercase, the as per their directions you want to create it. Okay, using that one you can open your login. Okay, then you can log in. So don't forget it. Username is your email address. Okay, today I am just wind up here. Thanks for watching my video, and I just reminding again, I need your support, so please subscribe, share and like my channel. Also you can share with your friends and families. Okay, thank you.